Jasper, a form of chalcedony, is a microcrystalline variety of quartz characterized by its unique colors and patterns. Its rich history stretches back thousands of years, with evidence of its use dating to ancient civilizations. Archaeological findings suggest that early humans used jasper for tools, ornaments, and amulets, particularly due to its durability and vibrant colors. The name, jasper, derives from the Greek word *iaspis, which refers to a spotted stone, hinting at its historical association with beauty and mystery. Ancient Egyptians prized jasper for its protective properties and often used it in burial masks and jewelry, believing it could provide safety in the afterlife. In addition to Egypt, various cultures worldwide, including Native American tribes, also held jasper in high regard, attributing spiritual significance and healing properties to the stone. This widespread reverence led to its discovery and utilization across different regions, cementing its place in both functional and decorative contexts. The geological formation of jasper is a fascinating process. It typically forms in sedimentary environments, where silica-rich solutions fill the voids and cavities within rocks. Over time, as the silica precipitates, it creates the colorful bands and patterns characteristic of jasper. The stone can be found in various locations around the world, with notable deposits in the United States, Brazil, India, and Madagascar. Each region imparts unique qualities to the jasper, resulting in diverse color palettes, from deep reds and yellows to greens and browns. Some types of jasper, such as picture jasper, exhibit intricate landscapes or scenes, making them particularly sought after by collectors and artisans. This wide range of colors and patterns has contributed to jasper's enduring popularity in jewelry and decorative arts. Furthermore, jasper is often categorized into various types based on its color and pattern, such as red jasper, yellow jasper, and ocean jasper, each with distinct characteristics that appeal to different preferences. Throughout history, jasper has also played a significant role in metaphysical beliefs and practices. Many cultures regard jasper as a stone of stability and grounding, associated with the earth element. It is often used in crystal healing practices, where practitioners believe it can promote emotional balance and provide strength during challenging times. Different varieties of jasper are thought to have specific properties. For example, red jasper is believed to inspire physical energy and passion, while green jasper is associated with nurturing and protection. This spiritual significance has led to jasper being incorporated into meditation practices, rituals, and healing sessions. The stone's appeal extends beyond its physical attributes, as its association with grounding energy resonates with individuals seeking connection to the earth and emotional stability. This multifaceted nature of jasper, encompassing both its geological and metaphysical aspects, adds to its allure and enduring popularity. When it comes to maintaining jasper, proper care is essential to preserve its beauty and integrity. As a relatively hard stone, jasper is durable and resistant to scratches, but it can still be susceptible to damage from harsh chemicals or extreme temperatures. Regular cleaning with a soft cloth and mild soap is recommended to remove dirt and oils that may accumulate on its surface. Avoid exposing jasper to prolonged sunlight, as excessive UV exposure can cause fading in some color varieties. Additionally, storing jasper away from other harder gemstones is advisable to prevent scratches. For those who use jasper in jewelry, wearing it regularly can help maintain its luster, as the natural oils from the skin can enhance its shine. However, it's essential to remove jasper jewelry before engaging in activities that may expose it to chemicals, such as swimming in chlorinated pools or using cleaning products. In the realm of art and craftsmanship, jasper has continued to inspire artists and artisans. Its ability to be carved, polished, and shaped into intricate designs makes it a popular choice for jewelry, sculptures, and decorative items. Craftspeople often seek out specific varieties of jasper to create unique pieces that showcase the stone's natural beauty. The recent rise in interest in natural and sustainable materials has further fueled the demand for jasper in modern design. Jewelry featuring jasper, such as pendants, bracelets, and earrings, often reflects a blend of traditional craftsmanship and contemporary aesthetics. Additionally, the resurgence of interest in metaphysical practices has led to an increase in the use of jasper in spiritual tools, such as healing wands, talismans, and meditation stones. As people continue to seek connections with the earth and its natural resources, jasper remains a favored choice, bridging the gap between history, art, and spirituality. As the appreciation for jasper endures, so does the understanding of its significance in both historical and modern contexts. Its journey from ancient tools to contemporary jewelry exemplifies humanity's ongoing relationship with natural materials. The stone's resilience, beauty, and multifaceted properties ensure its place in cultural traditions and artistic expressions. Moreover, the growing awareness of sustainable practices in gemstone sourcing and usage highlights the importance of responsible stewardship of resources like jasper. The future of jasper will likely involve not only continued exploration of its geological properties but also a deeper understanding of its place within the broader narrative of human history and connection to the earth. As we engage with jasper in our lives, we are reminded of its enduring legacy, a testament to the intricate interplay between nature, culture, and the human experience. Jasper's significance extends beyond its historical and geological context. It plays a vital role in various cultural practices and traditions across the globe. In many indigenous cultures, jasper is revered not only for its beauty but also for its perceived spiritual properties. For instance, Native American tribes often regard jasper as a stone of protection and healing, using it in rituals and ceremonies to foster strength and grounding. In some tribes, it is believed that jasper can connect individuals to the earth and their ancestors, providing a sense of belonging and stability. Similarly, in ancient Chinese medicine, jasper is associated with promoting health and balance in the body, often utilized in amulets and talismans for its protective qualities. This deep-rooted cultural significance highlights how jasper transcends its physical form, becoming intertwined with the spiritual beliefs and practices of various societies, thus enriching the narrative surrounding the stone. The artistic potential of jasper has been explored in various forms, from traditional carving techniques to modern jewelry design. Artisans and jewelers often embrace the stone's unique colors and patterns, creating stunning pieces that showcase its natural beauty. Traditional techniques, such as cabochon cutting, allow for the enhancement of jasper's surface and the display of its vibrant hues. Contemporary artists may blend jasper with other materials, incorporating it into mixed media works or innovative jewelry designs. The rise of custom jewelry has also contributed to the popularity of jasper, as individuals seek unique, personalized pieces that reflect their identity and connection to nature. Furthermore, jasper's versatility in art extends beyond jewelry. It can be found in decorative items, sculptures, and even inlay work, appealing to a wide range of artistic sensibilities. This artistic exploration of jasper not only showcases the stone's inherent beauty but also underscores its enduring relevance in the world of craftsmanship. The scientific community continues to explore the geological aspects of jasper, delving into its formation processes and variations. Researchers study the conditions under which jasper develops, investigating the interplay of temperature, pressure, and mineral content in the environment. Understanding these factors can provide insights into the geological history of regions where jasper is found, offering clues about past climatic conditions and geological events. Additionally, the study of jasper contributes to the broader understanding of quartz and its various forms, fostering advancements in mineralogy and geology. Some scientists are even exploring the potential industrial applications of jasper due to its durability and aesthetic appeal. This ongoing research not only enriches the knowledge surrounding jasper but also opens avenues for innovation and sustainable practices in the extraction and use of natural materials. In contemporary society, the popularity of jasper extends beyond its physical properties, as individuals increasingly seek out crystals and gemstones for their perceived metaphysical benefits. The growing interest in wellness and holistic practices has led to a renewed focus on the spiritual significance of stones like jasper. Many practitioners in the field of crystal healing advocate for jasper as a stone that promotes emotional healing, grounding, and stability. Individuals often use jasper in meditation, carrying it as a talisman or placing it in their living spaces to create a harmonious environment. Workshops and online resources have emerged, teaching people about the properties of different jasper varieties and how to incorporate them into daily life. This resurgence of interest in jasper as a tool for personal growth and wellness highlights its enduring appeal and the ongoing exploration of its significance in modern culture. As the journey of jasper continues, the importance of sustainable practices in sourcing and utilizing this beautiful stone is increasingly recognized. With growing awareness of environmental issues and ethical sourcing, both consumers and artisans are becoming more conscious of the origins of their materials. Many gemstone enthusiasts now prioritize responsibly sourced jasper, ensuring that their purchases support sustainable mining practices that minimize environmental impact and respect local communities. This shift towards ethical consumption reflects a broader movement towards sustainability in the jewelry and crafts industry. Organizations and initiatives dedicated to promoting responsible mining and trade are emerging, providing consumers with the knowledge and tools to make informed choices. By embracing these practices, the Jasper community can ensure that the legacy of this stunning stone continues for generations to come, celebrating its beauty while respecting the earth from which it originates. In summary, Jasper's journey through history, culture, and science is rich and multifaceted. Its use as a tool, ornament, and spiritual aid has spanned millennia, reflecting humanity's deep connection to the earth and its resources. The stone's formation processes, artistic potential, and metaphysical significance contribute to its enduring appeal. As society shifts towards more sustainable practices, the future of Jasper will likely involve a continued exploration of its properties and a commitment to responsible stewardship of this remarkable natural resource. Through appreciation, study, and ethical consumption, Jasper remains a vital part of both our cultural heritage and our evolving relationship with the natural world.